Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking a profitable niche and selecting 2-3 affiliate programs with good payouts and cookie windows. Once chosen, use AI for fast keyword research and buyer intent topic clusters so you target real demand. Make sure to create a simple content calendar and prompt templates for blogs, scripts, and ad copy. Now generate your first 3 long-form pieces and 5 short ads with AI. This creates assets you can test immediately and avoids endless planning paralysis. Once you have baseline content, scale by turning each long piece into multiple short assets and funnel touchpoints using AI templates. You should map a conversion funnel, landing page, automated email sequence, and one-click upsell, and feed AI prompts to adapt copy for each stage. Make sure to instrument every asset with UTMs and conversion events so you can measure what works. Then run structured /B tests on headlines, creatives, and CTAs, and use AI to generate fresh variants quickly as winners emerge. You finalize by optimizing and scaling. Double down on channels that convert, allocate budget to winners, and use AI to iterate creatives rapidly. Make sure to improve landing load times, refine targeting, and clone successful funnels for adjacent offers. Track ROI and pull underperformers for revision. If conversions are low, first check tracking pixels and analytics, then validate offer market fit. And finally, have AI rewrite headlines and benefit-led copy to better match user intent. This step usually fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.